Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick but useful tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your PC to factory settings. You may require this option if you are handing over the PC to another person, or you are selling your PC, or you have been using your PC for a long time and a lot of applications, cache files, cookies has been topped up. So for resetting the PC, hit the start button and type reset and select reset this PC. In this menu, select reset this PC, get started button, and you will get two options: keep my files and remove everything. So if you want to remove all your personal files, applications, settings, just everything, you need to click remove everything button. But if you want to keep your personal data but reset only the settings and applications, you need to select the first option. But in any case, I would recommend to take a backup of your personal files in an external hard drive in case something goes wrong. Okay, you can select any of the options that suits your needs. This is a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.